My name is Irma Rocha, and I have lived in El Campo almost all my life. I have been a YK customer since 2017. I started with the fire alarms, the security system, the Wi-Fi, and after that, I decided that because of their prices and the service and the quality of their products, that I wanted the security cameras and a camera doorbell. Having a doorbell camera is so nice because I can monitor my home from my phone no matter where I am, and I can see who's at my door. It was such an easy process to work with YK when I needed the extra things from them, so it just worked great. Prior to working with YK, I was working with a company that was not customer friendly at all. It was hard to navigate through their phone system, and it was a challenge to get someone to come out here and fix any of the issues that I had. So as soon as I switched to YK, that was the best decision that I could make. I know that when I call YK, I get an answer quickly. They're very friendly. They provide the best products and service, and the service people come out that very same day. I am Irma Rocha, and YK keeps me connected, and I'm a very happy customer.